What's it like flying a Virgin Boeing 737 to Darwin from Melbourne? Here we go. Just on board the plane now. Cabin crew were nice, introducing themselves. Takeoff. It was a nice sunny day in Melbourne. It was great weather. It's a nice takeoff. Now at cruising altitude. We've got a Pringles, water and some tea. Now the descent. This flight was about 3-4 hours. It was pretty nice descent into Darwin. It was cloudy and raining, but it was pretty nice. Pretty nice landing, not gonna lie. Some Air North Embraer 120 aircraft, a TOL 737 and an Embraer 190. Overall, 8 out of 10. That was a pretty good flight. The YouTube episode should be up now.